Alright guys, welcome back to Rome Reviews. I'm Rome, and today we got a new goodie that just came in. Just moments ago actually. So this is the Oppo Find X8. The base model is, I know it's the Oppo Find X8 Pro, I believe it's called. But I decided I was going to do like a mid-range coverage. So I have the OnePlus 13R, and I wanted to do a comparison between the OnePlus version of these devices and the Oppo version of these devices. So just want to do a quick unboxing and first look and everything like that. So as you can tell, I'm already jumping into it. So on top we have the box and we have a clear case, my favorite. I mean, I'm not being like disingenuous about it. I actually do really enjoy clear cases. Because I like to see the phones that I get. Now, if I get a black phone, then it's different. I just pop any kind of case on that. But when I get a different color like white or any other color that may come out, then I like to get clear cases. But anyway, sim tools, instructions, blah blah blah. This is a thick placard, kind of, and it just has their other products on there. Now, I have been thinking about getting an Oppo pad, but I haven't decided yet. But anyway, let's keep moving. Here's the phone, of course. We're going to lay that over to the side on top of the case. See if it'll stay there. Yep. All right. And I just love that they send chargers. Good stuff. All right. So this is USB-A to USB-C. Okay. Good stuff. Good stuff. And the charger. It's an 80-watt SuperVOOC is what they call it. So what I wanted to show you guys was I ordered this phone off of AliExpress, and what they always do is even though this one is the US standard that we use for this plug, they send an adapter, like a little cheap adapter that you could use if you're in a different country. So they just they're pretty good with covering all bases, and I really appreciate that. So yeah, here's everything that came with the phone case, everything. So we're gonna move these over to the side, and we're gonna make some room for the phone. And here's the goodness right here. So let's see, let's pop that open. And let's see, I like to keep these in good shape, and just in case I decide to sell the phone or anything. So okay, so with this one, okay, so this is the one I mixed up with the OnePlus. I ordered a white one, but they didn't have it in stock, so they asked me if I would be okay with them sending me a black one, which I was fine with. But here we are. I just love how these phones feel. They did a really good job with these. So right away we're going to go ahead and power it on. And I wanted to do a quick comparison. So give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right. So this is the OnePlus 13, and it is bigger. The OnePlus 13R. I'm sorry, OnePlus 13R. It's bigger. I wasn't expecting it to be a larger phone. I thought they were going to be the same size. Interesting. So AliExpress does the same thing that Giztop, and I only have 2% on here, so I'm going to get nothing out of this one. So they did the same thing that Giztop and Geek Wheels and all these other websites do, where they open it, set the phone up, install the Play Store, and get you ready just so you can just jump in and use the phone. But what I always do is I wipe these phones and set them up again from scratch, just because I like to experience the phones from beginning to end, setting it up and familiarizing myself with it. So I'm going to charge it. Let's see. Oh yeah, it has the two-step. So from sound to vibrate to silent. I love these sliders, these alert sliders. 2% remaining. Charge your device now. But yeah, here we are. The camera module is more centered on the Oppo and larger. Oh, I believe these cameras are gonna be good on here. All right, so yeah, I just want to do a quick unboxing and quick comparison between the two. Larger. I'm surprised that this one is so much larger. But yeah, anyway, yeah, we got some good stuff coming in the future, guys. So feel free to like and subscribe and come back, and we're going to do some good comparisons between these two, because even though this one's larger, these are both the base models of their respective companies. So this is going to be a good mid-range battle. All right, I'll catch y'all in a bit. Later.